hope you're having a great day. It's Friday. It's a breakfast day. I'm so excited. I must have been so hungry and excited to eat my food today, I forgot to take a picture of it. That was the whole point. It was delicious. They always do a good job. I love their bacon. I get bacon, eggs, and french fries. I always am like, can I just sub the hash browns for french fries? I'm more of a french fry person. It is another cold day, but right now it is not as windy. I think it's the calm before the storm because it said it was going to be really windy. But it is 37 degrees, but without the wind, it actually feels really nice, especially since I have full-on winter gear on. But I probably won't be doing any cleanup today because I think in a couple hours, it is going to be just as windy as I showed you it was yesterday. And then it's gonna be like 50-some degrees. I'm so excited. So wind and heat. My soil should start drying out and I'm probably gonna be able to get my field planted soon. And today I don't have any watering. I did come out to the farm. My Lisies and Snaps are looking a little sad, but I think they'll hang in there, and I think tomorrow I should be able to get them in some sunlight and get them dried out a little bit. I'll definitely keep you updated. They're looking okay. I'm thinking they're not drying out enough, so tomorrow I might not water them if they can't get outside. They're starting to look like they're a little too waterlogged and maybe not getting enough light, but tomorrow, yeah, these are getting even lighter. See how dark green those are? And then these are kind of a lighter. I'm not liking it. That one's too wet. It's starting to be sad. That's all my drip from last year. What a mess. Can you see that sky? It looks creepy, doesn't it? I'm just happy it's not quite as windy today so I could actually talk to you guys. So I thought I might just talk to you a little bit on the walk about yesterday. I set up my promotion on Facebook, the share and like. It's been really fun. A lot of my friends, some of them tagged me. Such brats. But it's been really fun. And I got a lot of feedback. But then, of course, I thought I had everything working. I tested everything on my computer from my website. I sent credit card transactions through PayPal, Apple Pay. I even had Nate do Google Pay because I can't do Google Pay. Well, I guess I could in Chrome, but that's on a website, not on a phone. But the problem is PayPal worked on the computer, and then I didn't test PayPal on a phone, and it didn't work. But thankfully in Knoxville, there's just a really good tribe of women that support other women, and they don't get down on you. They just are like, hey, I tried to do this, and it didn't work, which of course to me, I was just like, like, of course it didn't work. Like right when somebody's trying to get in, like how unprofessional, Danae, get your stuff together. But I got it working last night and she was really kind and she put an order through today and I really appreciate that. So anyway, that's kind of what I dealt with yesterday, which was part of flower farming. And then I had some people ask me if I could do flowers for prom, but I'm recommending them, just go to their local florist. So it's going to be another day where I probably need to be more inside than outside. But good news is coming. It's supposed to be up in the 50s and then 60s coming up. So it is warming up and I'm going to be out here, and as soon as it dries out, I'm going to be getting that 1/4 acre ready for flowers. So I am really excited about that. Take this as a sign that life's gonna get real crazy real soon, and I might as well kind of enjoy this Friday before all the craziness happens. I will keep you updated if I do anything today, but it might be another short video. I don't have any watering, no feeding. I did come out and turn my grow lights on, and my plants are not happy with me for sticking them in this farmhouse, but hopefully they'll pop out of it. I'll show you how they're doing in the next few days after they get some sun. I hope they don't die before then. If they do, I guess we'll all learn from it, right? I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope to see you in the next one.